Marianda. I want to ask you what a cell is.
A cell is a small thing in our body.
Small helmet. Okay. What are the main parts of a cell?
There is
Ribosome,
and
and
there is mitochondria,
nucleus, and everything else. Okay. So, please have a careful look. What's happening here? Please be careful. What is happening here? Yes, the water color change. Yes. So the tea is very warm. The water. How about that? Why? Because the particle of the tea movement through water. Yes, it is the example for transport paper. Wow, it is the cell. Yes. And then any ideas? They can protect. Yes, they can protect like the cell in the giant cell. Yes, they protect us, they protect the cell. And then any ideas? Please, everyone, have a take a breath right now. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so did you know that? So guys, every time, every second, every minute, when we inhale and exhale, we do transformation because exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, the upwelling of the lungs, where this gas movements on different in concentration. The facility of diffusion. Anyone know?
It's the movement of substance that penetrates through the liquid phase.
Yes. So, yes, good job, Maria. So the vessel diffusion in this process, it needs how something like a protein. There are two proteins. One is the protein is carrier protein and channel protein. The carrier protein, tell me one example. That is diffusion. So the osmosis is the movement of water, and then diffusion is the movement of particle. Okay, can you differentiate that? Yes. And osmosis is the movement of the water. Yes, do you get it about the diffusion? Yeah. Have you ever sprayed a perfume?
Yeah.
Look, what's happening here? So you can see the current on the
Particle of the water
movement. And then in here, diffusion, osmosis, or accelerated diffusion. Yes, that's why it is diffusion. So the particle of the perfume movement to air, to outside. So every time you do the transport membrane by diffusion, osmosis, and facilitated diffusion, guys.
Okay, to learn about the membrane transport. What is we learned today is passive transport. There is types of passive transport: diffusion, facilitated transport, and osmosis.
Yes.
Diffusion, the movement of particle, and osmosis is the movement of water. And passive transport is over the process occurred in our universe.
Yes, thank you, Ilan. I think all of you have an understanding about transport membrane, right?
Yeah.
die, right?
Yeah.
So it's same case, it's same way. Our body works the same way with our hormone. Our body like a giant factory made of tiny machines. The tiny machine is called the cells. So our body have a thousand, millions, billions, even billions of cells. Oh,
It's very small
yes,
means
very small. Okay. But is small is big enough to be called the cells is the neuron of what?
No.
So what else? Cells.
cells have one function space.
Function, yes, cells have function. So we can call the cells is small units of life because they can perform our function. They can perform our whole life process, like the metabolism, reproduction, and then anything else. So it is the important stuff. The small structure, the small box like the structure, and then people it is a cell. Okay.
I just had to let you know you're